दोस्तों, once again you all are welcome in physics world. Before that, I have given you homework to find time period of simple pendulum. Okay, that we have done, and today we are going to study measuring speed. I will send you page number 90. On page number 90, there is a numeric problem, and that problem example 2. So in this example, it is given that in a vehicle, the odometer, this is odometer, you see in your car, bike, have you ever seen there is a measuring meter. That measuring meter, it measures 0, 20, 40, 80, 100. This measure speed, that's why it is called speedometer. It measures speed in kilometer per hour. And this meter, you are observing this small meter measures distance. ये जो छोटा सा मीटर देख रहे हो ना बेटा, ये डिस्टेंस मेजर करता है और इसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, ओडोमीटर. So speedometer measures speed in kilometer per hour and odometer measures distance in kilometer. Okay, now we discuss example 2. In this example, it is given that when a vehicle starts, the initial reading of the vehicle is 12,000 किलोमीटर. कितना? जैसे आप अपनी कार से जा रहे हो, तो जैसे ही आप अपने घर से निकलते हैं, आपने ऑडोमीटर को देखा, उसमें कितना लिखा है, 12,000 किलोमीटर. एंड after 8 hours, okay, you travel by your car till 8 hours. So after 8 hours, when you observe this odometer, you will read 12,400 kilometer. Okay, so how much distance you have traveled in 8 hours? 12,400. This is final reading minus 12,000. So 400 kilometer distance we traveled in 8 hours. Okay, how we find the speed? We find average speed. Okay, because our speed was not constant. So average speed is distance covered by the car upon total time taken. Distance covered by the car is 400 kilometer and time taken 8 hours. So we put the value 400 kilometer upon 8 hours. From 8 you will cancel it. 8 5 ja 40. So we get 50 kilometer per hour. This is the speed of the average speed of your vehicle, car, bike, whatever is given in book. Okay, if you want to find this speed in meter per second, then what you will do? Kilometer, 1 kilometer equal 1000 meter. So we will multiply it by 1000, and 1 hour equal 60 minutes and 60 seconds. So 60 into 60. When we solve it, 0, 2 zeros are cancelled. 2 3 ja 6, 2 5 ja 10. 2 3 ja 6, 2 25 ja 50. So we get 25 5 ja 125 upon 9 meter per second. So whenever you have to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, you multiply it by 1000 upon 60 into 60. Or there is a simple way, multiply by 5 upon 80. But you do it. Okay. Now we take next example. Pause karo. So on page number 90, there is an activity. I will do this activity, make a video and then send you. Now we come on page number 91. I will send this page to you. There is an example. I am reading the example. The Shatabdi Express takes 6 hours to travel from New Delhi to Lucknow at average speed 80 km per hour. Find the distance from New Delhi to Lucknow. So look at here. Distance, how we calculate distance? Distance covered equal speed into time. You learn this formula. So Shatabdi Express covers distance between New Delhi to Lucknow, okay, with speed 80 km per hour in 6 hours. How much time Shatabdi Express takes? 6 hours. So distance traveled by Shatabdi Express in place of speed you will write 80 kilometer per hour into time 6 hour. Okay, so hour will cancel, you get 6 8 ja 48, 480 kilometer. So distance between Lucknow and New Delhi is 480 kilometer. Then how we calculate time? So by same formula you can also calculate time, but time is equal distance covered upon speed. You learn this also. Okay, one, how many formula you have to learn? 3. Average speed, then distance covered, then time equal distance covered upon speed. On page number 92, there is another example. So in this example, you see, this one is the example. Okay, I am reading. The distance from Delhi to Chandigarh is 250 kilometer. A bus travels at an average speed 50 kilometer per hour. How much time the bus taken to cover the distance between New Delhi and Chandigarh? तो कितना distance है न्यू दिल्ली और चंडीगढ़ के बीच में? 250 किलोमीटर. बस कितना टाइम ले रही है? बस ले रही है, बस की स्पीड क्या है? 50 किलोमीटर पर आवर. तो हाउ मच टाइम bus will take? So answer is 250 upon 50. You solve it, you get 5 hours. Okay. So the answer is 5 hours. Next we study graphs. So ready? This is the last topic from this chapter. We have to study graphs. Graphs gives us a particular information about distance, time, etc., etc. Look at here, we have to study 3 types of graph: bar graph, pie graph. So just this is pictorial representation. Why? Because pictorial representation makes us clear understanding. So bar graph, pie graph. How we draw these graph we will learn in higher classes. This is not the part of your syllabus. So only third, linear or straight line graph, this we are studying. To draw linear or straight line graph, you see on x-axis, this is x-axis, we take points at equal distance. Okay, on y-axis we also take points on equal distance. Here on horizontal line we are taking time in hour, and in vertical line we are taking distance covered in kilometer. So look at here, this one is in 1 hour it cover 5 kilometer, in 2 hour it cover 10 kilometer, in 3 hour it cover 50 kilometer, in 4 hour it cover 20 kilometer. So you will put the dots and then you join the dot, you will get a straight line. So this straight line represents what? The motion of the object is uniform. So this graph you will read on page number 93. If you get any difficulty, any problem, you ring me, you ask me on my personal number, or you can also ask WhatsApp me on my personal number. I will solve it. Okay, so this chapter is finished. Later I will send you the keywords as well as what we have studied, and now we do exercise. Okay, I will send you the video of that activity. Till then, bye bye.